Hello friends, in this video we will be making a project in Python. This project will generate a random password or a random set of characters which would be having 6 random alpha characters, which means anywhere between from A to Z, 2 random special characters which can be inverted commas, exclamation mark or question mark or at the rate, or 2 random numeric characters 1, 2, 3, 4 or anything. So for making this project, we will be using 2 modules. One is random and the second one is string. Okay. So first of all, we will be importing both these modules. Import random and import string module. Okay. So string module, why we are using this? Because we want a set of alphabetical characters here and a set of all the punctuation marks. And uh, third one, we want all the list of numeric characters too. Okay, so first we will see the documentation of the string module. If you see, in string module, we can access all the alphabetical letters with the help of string.ascii lowercase, or if we want to use an uppercase letter, so we can use string.ascii.uppercase. For accessing numerical characters, we can use strings.digits. And for using punctuation marks, we can use string.punctuation. This documentation is available on Python website, so you can access it from there as well. And random module, as you know, it is used for selecting a random numbers from the list or the string. Okay, so first we will be assigning a variable, and to it we will be assigning a string or a string of all the lowercase letters present in a alphabet. So ASCII dot lowercase for characters means for the special characters, which we can use like this as special characters. We will assign it a string dot. If you see here, it is a string dot punctuation. So string dot punctuation, and for all the digits or the numeric characters, we'll be assigning digits as a variable, and we'll say string dot digits to it. Okay, let it rename by digit. Okay, and then we will be assigning a variable name password to it. We will say we want all the list of uh, random letters from this variable, 2 random variables from special characters and 2 random variables from digit. If we want to see this, like what does it seems like, so we can say print letter once we run this. So if you see here, I get all the alphabets in lowercase. Okay, similarly for if we want to accept this special characters, so if you see, we get all the special characters present with the help of string dot punctuation. Similarly, we can hit digit as well. 0, 1, 2, 3, all the digits. Okay, so now what we'll do, okay, we will create a variable named password. To it we will, I want 6 characters from letter. So I will say random dot sample, and then I will specify the variable name where all the letters are stored, and then the number of samples I want. So this way I can use random module as well. Okay. Similarly, I can use this same for special characters and digits as well. And then I can add all these things to the password variable. So for adding this, what I will do, simply I will add a random dot sample again, specify the variable where all my characters are stored, and I only want two items from it. Okay, and then again a random dot sample digit comma 2. Okay, so if I print this variable, now if you see, I get the list of all the random variables from 6 from letter and 2 from special characters and 2 from digits. But I don't want this in list format. So first what I will do, I will join this. Okay. So for that, I can say password would be dot join password. Okay. So now if I print, so if you see, I get this in better format. But I want this to be shuffled, okay? I don't want that always the numerical characters should be end at last, or this special character should be end at third and fourth position from last. Because if you see, if I run this code time and time again, I would get the result in the same format, okay? So I want to shuffle this. So for that also in random module, we have a shuffle function which you can use, shuffle, and then I can pass the list. Okay, so this is returning a list to us. Okay, so if now I print it, so if you see here, uh, numerical characters are getting anywhere between this character, between these means letter. Similarly, the special characters are also shuffled. So if I run this, so see, special characters are also shuffled, numerical characters are also shuffled, and we get our desired output, which is 6 alphabetical letters, 2 numerical characters, and 2 special characters. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.